Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete or permanently deactivate a Facebook page. So once you're in your Facebook profile right here, newsfeed on your desktop, you want to go on the top right here on your profile icon. Once you click on that, you're going to see right here, my ice cream. This is like the page that is under here. So if you have created a lot more page, you're going to see a lot more pages under your profile name right here. So in order to delete a page, this one, click on that to switch to that profile page. Then what you do is you want to go here to the profile icon again, and then you want to click on settings and privacy right here. So you must be logged in right here. Switch to your page profile, the one that you want to delete, settings and privacy. Then you want to go to settings. It's going to switch to this page. So you're going to see settings and privacy right here on the left side. You want to scroll down way to access and control right here below your information. So click access and control, and it's going to give you an option right here to deactivate the page, which is temporary. So the page will be disabled and its name, photos will be removed from most things it shares. You can reactivate this page at any time. You can also unpublish a page, which is temporary, so only you and the people who manage the page will be able to see and delete the page. Or you can do a delete permanent. So you can delete permanently. That means you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you've shared on Facebook as this page. And if you want to delete the page, just click on delete and hit continue right here. So it's going to ask you to download your information. So if you want to save your information from your page, you can download right here, and you can also transfer a copy of your information. So you can, before you delete your Facebook account, you can transfer a copy of information to another service. So I'm not going to do any of this. You can feel free to do that. I'm going to continue, and it's going to ask you to type the in, and so just type it in. So after you typed in, just hit continue, and it's going to ask you again, confirm permanent page deletion. You're about to permanently delete your page. If you're ready to delete, click delete. Once you meet your page for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your page and cancel the deletion. After the 30 days, the deletion process will begin, and you won't be able to retrieve any of your content or information you have added. So if you are okay, you want to go ahead and continue, delete the page, and it's going to delete the page from Facebook, so no one's going to see. And here it's going to take you back to your profile. So when you click on this, you're not going to see any page right here. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like. That's going to help me a lot. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.